Hello guys, I am Mohammed Amin Hakim. I hope you all are doing well. And today's video, I will speak about the 6 best affiliate marketing tips to earn more money. So let's get right into the video. In the last video, I spoke about the 5 best affiliate marketing tips to earn more money. First, you have to build trust with your audience when you promote great products or good products. Second, you have to choose digital products because digital products have far better commission rates than physical products. Third, you have to promote digital products with recurring and products with recurring commissions. Fourth, you have to choose the right niche. The most lucrative niches are health, wealth, and relationship. Fifth, you have to diversify your affiliate partner. In this video, I will speak about another important tip to make more money. You have to build your email list. In conclusion, if you want to earn more money from affiliate marketing, you have to promote great or good digital products with recurring commissions. With the right niche, you have to diversify your affiliate partners and you have to build your email list. What about you? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.